What is going on, my future millionaire friends? It's your boy Jduntrades with Team Bull Trading, and hope you're all having a blessed day. In today's value-packed episode of Team Bull TV, I bring on one of Team Bull's top traders, Grizzly Trades, to break down our huge trading day. I go over how I initially took a loss, started my day with a losing trade, as you will see here, and then rebounded with an even bigger winner to end the day green and to help Team Bull make a bag. Tap in. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. We are live every single day here with recaps and a lot more education for you guys to learn, level up, and make money. Let's get right to it. The man, the myth, the legend, Grizzly Trades. How we doing today?
Doing amazing, man. How are you?
I'm doing fantastic. It was a great morning inside Team Bull. Started off with a small loss, which of course we'll go over, and then ended it with a bang that had our team looking like this.
Yes, let's go. The push came in.
A lot of happy people making money, learning, and leveling up. That's what we like to see. So to get right into it, I started my day off with a loss. As you can see from my screen here, I have this mapped out. Now, I took some calls right around this like 498.7 area to start. We had these opening candles down. We had an aggressive move up. So I was looking on this particular setup to catch the high or low off this candle. Now, if we go here to the 5-minute chart, you can kind of see it too. I was looking on this push down to catch the high or low here and then make a new high a day. That did not happen. So I set my stops on this particular trade to the current low of day, which gave me about a 30-cent or so risk, and I got stopped out below these lows of 498.3. Ended up stopping out right around at 498.3, like right around here. So that was trade one. Small loss. Took about a 30-cent loss on SPY. Lost about $300 in that trade. Now the second one, as you can see on my watch list for the day. Now I told the team that I was watching for a 498 to 497.5 area bounce for SPY on calls. Now if we go over and check this out, you can see that was the quite literal bottom. But that's not the trade that I took. I didn't take my bounce. I deviated from my plan, didn't take that. However, on the way back up, right, we had some aggressive buying here. I saw that we reclaimed these levels, reclaimed 498. We had some nice volume coming in. So I went ahead and entered calls at 498.7. Now, this was after you had entered calls. You actually had a little better entry than I did. So you can go over that in a second. I entered after you, took a nice call trade here, and made back those losses and more on this 3-hour trade. Ended up plus 1,100 on the day. $1,000 a day keeps a lot of problems away. And with very minimal risk, I'm caught this upside move. Few trims up here. Stopped the rest of my runners at break even. So overall, super solid day. Lots of education in there. Just an overall great trading day. And even more so, I love when I can take a loss at first. I don't like losing, but when you can take a loss at first, and then rebound with a bigger winner. That is the key, my friends. A lot of people can't do that. A lot of people lose that trade, and then they go on tilt, they mess up, they get filled with emotion, and that cannot happen. You have to lose that trade, come back with a A+ mental, execute on what your system is, and make back those losses if that's how your trade works out. So that being said, those are my 2 trades for the day. One small loser, one big winner. Now it's time for Grizzly to go over your 3 trades of the day. You caught a banger on shorts and then caught some other trades throughout the day. So let's hear it, brother.
Let's do it. Okay, so this goes back to my weekly watch list that I create on Sunday. Post on my YouTube every single Sunday. We had 502.1 and we had 498.2. These are the 2 levels I was watching for this coming week. As you can see right here, this is ticker SPY. You can see right here we lost this because of data. We had the data drop, big push down to 500. Now the first trade was based off of weakness in this 500 level. We pulled back up. This would have been a decent entry, but I was looking to enter a little higher off for the reject. Once I seen, still weak, we was coming back down. I told everyone inside Team Bull, I said, I'm short. I'm going to short ES, go short on ES below 500. So we lost this level. I went short. I let everyone know 498.28 was my final price target. And we just caught this move down here. Final sell was literally right here on this trade. Worked out really nicely. Now let's talk about the losing trade that you talked about. I took it with you, and I ended up stopping out for loss as well. Then I'll talk about what I seen when I re-entered for the third, the winning trade. So right here is where we got in this trade. What I seen was we reclaimed this, kind of have more of a zone than the exact area, but 5,000 to 4997. I seen we opened above it here, this key level I was waiting on for a bounce. We opened above it, and the risk reward was there for calls. We was oversold. We was at this key level, this whole psych level. We got in. Unfortunately, it didn't play out. My stop on this was a close below that 4997. Right here's where I exited the trade. So now let's talk about why I re-entered this trade. First off, we came back up. Brandon, another admin, I'm sure you all know Brandon, he let us know. He said there's liquidity setting in this area, but we was watching ES liquidity setting. So we come down, picked up that liquidity, the orders. Then we came back up, we reclaimed this. Once we reclaimed, I seen the bids get above that level. That's where I re-entered, and I caught this move up here. Really nice trade. We got out. Right here was our final sell on this, which was at VWAP on the. Let's look at the 15-minute here. Sorry, it was at the 9 EMA on the 15-minute. But it worked out perfectly. Just a nice trade. Like you said, Jdun, I always like where we can have a losing trade, but we have enough confidence to come back into it once it confirms. The only reason we lost this level that I can see was to pick up them orders and continue on. But worked out. Amazing day overall. And all this was, with the team. So win-win.
Beautiful, man. And like you said, there's no better confidence builder than coming back after a losing trade and rebounding. It's such a important thing for us to do as traders, and a skill that is, and don't get it twisted, it is a skill to be able to do that. A skill that's so important and that will really change the game for a lot of traders as they develop their edge.
That's right.
So that being said, beautiful day in Team Bull. Team Bull University comes out soon. Team Bull live trading is private, but opens once every few months, give or take. So make sure if you guys want access to either of those, you tap into the form below. Hit the subscribe button. Make sure to tap in with Grizzly's YouTube as well. And is there anything else you'd like to say, brother?
No, that's it. Appreciate you.
Nope. Well, appreciate you, man. I'll see you later, man. Peace.